All right, what's going on, everybody? So I'm actually out here in Australia. Oh, no, you guys aren't following. Beautiful. Here with my boys, Nick and Dr. Peters as well. Dr. Peters in the kitchen. So I literally finally see what I was looking for. All right. So we were looking for this buy for a minute. And I've been waiting for this thing for a long time, and I think it's finally came. So a while ago, I don't know, my chart kind of looks kind of messy, but a while ago, what we were looking for was a buy, because like a buy for a long-term trade, because you see from point A to point B, it was like point B over here. No, it was point B over here. Price has not created a lower high on the day chart. And what we figured is the fact that price is actually going to go to at least this point at 38.2 or at 50%, which is confluence with a weekly key level also, where price broke structure right here, which is beautiful. So what I see is the fact that now price, point A, point B down here now. So point A, point B, price still has to, on the day chart, create a higher, a lower high, right? And what we're looking for is to have signals that that's what price is going to do. So what I see here on the day chart, it started to slow down, because here is just a straight bearish candles, and the price, started to slow down a little bit, and we see a break in something over here, right? And then price slowing down even harder, and I think this is the last point right here. So let's go to the H4. So if we were to go a little bit into the past, we see price start to make that push to the upside, and then we got tired, because to really start to go into a buy trend, it'll take a long time, and it'll take a lot of effort, because it's been a downtrend for so long, and straight bearish candles for so long. So think about a car, like you trying to stop a car with your hands as driving 100 miles per hour. It's going to take a lot of effort in order to stop that car. So this is the first push, and then it pushed down. Second push, and then it pushed down. And then what we see here is, in my perspective, a break structure on the 4-hour chart right here. That's what that line is for. Break structure on the 4-hour chart. If anything, it could have broken right here, right, as well. So a break, definitely a break over here, which is beautiful. And I was like, okay, now it's probably going to go here, and then go in for the buy all the way and continue. And it didn't. I guess it needed one more push down. And what we see here is the fact point A right here, point B right here. You see price pushes from point A to point B, made a point C at 61.8, which is beautiful, right? So you would think, okay, it's probably going to keep on going in the downtrend. I wasn't in the market during this whole portion right here. But what I see here, price pushed down, but then said, hey, listen, I got some more buys in me. And then we see price really break through lead. That is an amazing sign, because we see price definitely break structure. This is definitely break structure right here, because price had a clear indication that this is a lower high, and then price makes a higher low, and then makes a higher high, clear higher high, retests where it broke over here, retest this point right here, and then what I also see, I'll also go down to a lower time frame that's thick enough that I can be able to show you. Let's see the 2 hour. It's kind of cold outside. So we see price make a higher low, and then price makes another higher low. Good indication, the fact that it will continue to push on the upturn. And we see this at this point right here, higher high, higher low, and I figure that it will create a higher high. And if I was to go to a lower time frame, let's say like the 15-minute, you'll see clear higher highs and higher lows forming on the 15-minute chart. I just entered it into my buy. I haven't been looking at the chart as much, but I know for sure that this is the beginning. So where do I believe price is going to go? As I was speaking about before, I believe price is really going to start pushing up now, and I pray that it does, because I want to get this over with so that we can be able to go on that strong push downwards. So I believe that price is probably going to go to the 1.35, and there's like if anything, that's a good psychological level right here at 1.35, and if anything, probably get close to that weak key level. If not, I think 1.35 is great, because how many pips is that? It's still about 350, 370 pips to 370 pips to, could go to that 50, or let's just say that weak key level, 350 to 550 pips. I think this is the move. I think this is the beginning of this move, and then from there, pretty sure strong drop. So you see the H4 as far as this. Yeah, so if anything, hopefully this respects what I've been looking for a while. But if not, I think this by itself is is worth the video. The Gold Coast of Australia. We had some kangaroos today. We saw some koala bears today. We saw a waterfall today. We saw people jump off a cliff today. They had a parachute on. And what else? We went to the easternmost point of Australia yesterday. We trained about 60 people in the last 4 days. This week in Australia, people paid money. People paid a lot of money to come see us, and a lot of people got some breakthroughs, and I think it's a good indication that what we have access to when it comes to this program and training that we're providing is working. So really appreciate your time, and if you share the video with whoever you like. I know for a fact that this video would help out some people. So see you guys soon in the next video, and let's become an FX Pro now. Comment below and share this with somebody else. Subscribe to the video, and see you guys soon. Let's get it.